Bonjour, it's me, Poptoken. I'm here in Corsica, the hidden gem of Mediterranean. Here, we're gonna enjoy beaches, we're gonna enjoy nature, we're gonna enjoy a lot of pizza, we're gonna have so much fun, and I know you wanna trip.
Ooh, big body of water. Pop token. France. What else do you need to have the best ever voyage? Me spinning in a circle. Or maybe, just maybe, a big, beautiful island in the Mediterranean with a lot of things to do. Hmm? Is that the voyage you wanna do? Welcome to Corsica! But before you start an exploration of this island, rent a car.
Welcome to Rally Corsica. As you can see, many roads here in Corsica are very tiny and very curvy. And I'm here to challenge these roads in my compact SUV. But don't worry, Pop Token means safety, joy and excitement for the ride with me, wherever I take you. Vroom vroom!
And look where we got a beach. But we decided to inspect this tower. But not everyone noticed, except me and my gorgeous friend Anastasia. That hidden trail in the bushes, and sometimes a trail in the bushes is a good idea, and we decided to go for it.
Like a little trail, probably 5 minutes trail to beach, to a smaller beach next to a big beach. And let's see what we got.
And we kept walking, through the bushes, through all those plants, until we saw a sign of that beautiful beach. And then we got it. We got there. Beautiful beach with almost no people where you can actually just enjoy yourself. Isn't that what we all want?
Oh, the beach feels so special. There's just a few people out here. The water is clean. It's so pristine.
I still cannot believe that that beach is not even on the map, but look, it's so beautiful and we could enjoy it on our own until the end of the day, until the sunset. And then just, we could take that little trail back to the parking lot and see all that beautiful sun shining into our pretty faces. Ooh. Good morning, Sleepy. How was your night? Mine was wonderful.
So we're staying in a little village in the mountains in Corsica. I think it's the way to do it because you can drive around at the places that you want to visit, including beaches, some hiking trails, some museums, restaurants. But every day you wake up, you see this and you feel so tranquil and divine. And isn't that what we all want?
But before we go anywhere today, look at this beautiful small church close to our Airbnb. Just standing alone in the mountains.
This little church looks like the ones I saw in Italy, in Florence especially. Let's get closer. White and dark green bricks. And there's just one here standing all alone on this hill. attracting tourists.
And now we're on the way to our destination, a little town called Corte. In the middle of the island, but it actually has a lot of places to see, including a Corsica museum, which is built right under the citadel, the old fortress. And you can go there and just enjoy the view of the surroundings mountains, which are very beautiful, and of course see my friend doing her walk. And underneath, as you can get from the title, an ethnographic local museum where you can see all types of things from the area which they use there. And of course, I met friends wherever I go.
All my friends are here. Jessica, John, Delilah. Okay, Delilah is with us. Layla, and of course, Joa.
But it seems that those friends are in the past, and in my present I'm in Corte, and I need to explore this little cute town with its abundance of cute cafe and restaurants, and of course I want to try them all.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you want la sandwicherie or pâtisserie du chocolat? The choice is yours. I made my decision. Okay? We'll find out soon.
I made my decision. A local iconic bakery, Casanova.
Never met a Casanova in my life, but very happy to be sitting in one of those.
And eating before leaving Corte and going further in the mountains. The roads started getting really narrow, and oh boy, those obstacles, I didn't expect that while renting the car. I hope my car is insured, as well as this livestock. But the main thing that we started seeing more mountains, meaning we have arrived.
The hike is about to start right by the fromagerie, where you can eat after the hike if you get here by 7 p.m.
I really was enjoying the nature from the moment I stepped on the trail.
Life is beautiful. Our planet is beautiful. Corsica is beautiful.
And my friend is very beautiful.
I feel so free.
My friend really thinks she can be laughing while recording.
But I'm not falling off the cliff. Not today. Not in Corsica.
Yeah, we kept walking. We kept enjoying the nature. We kept watching each other, how we were taming this trail, and eventually got us somewhere.
Almost there. Almost there. My friend found the lake, and I'm still here looking at these flowers.
Those are the flowers that stopped me, but anyway, I had to continue to get to the final last stop of our trail, the mountain lake. Very quiet, very pristine, since it was almost a night time, so it was just us. But we had to head out back quickly because the sun was going down and the trail was long.
This light of upcoming darkness is so captivating. I know that my camera cannot show it all, but it's just so cute.
And that's it for today. Stay tuned for Corsica Part 2. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Me and my friend would be very thankful. And of course, she knows as well that you want a trip.